Hello, this is question 10 on your mixed exercise 7 from Edexcel applied textbook. A pharmaceutical company claims that 85% of patients suffering from a chronic rash recover when treated with a new ointment. A random sample of 20 patients with this rash is taken from hospital records. Write down a suitable distribution to model the number of patients in this sample who recover. So we can consider that the number of patients that recover as a binomial, 20 because we are checking on 20 patients, and 0.85 because is the proportion that recover. And be careful just in case they say recover here and don't recover here or something similar. Yeah, always check that you are writing the right probability. Then, given that the claim is correct, find the probability that the ointment will be successful for exactly 16 patients out of the 20. So we want the probability of x being 16. It's just binomial PD in the calculator. N is 20, P is 0.85, X is 16, and this is 0.1821. You can use the formula as well if you prefer. But you can use the calculator. And then C, the hospital believes that the claim is incorrect and the percentage we will recover is lower. This is important. From the records, an administrator took a random sample of 30 patients who had been prescribed the ointment. She found that 20 had recovered. Stating your hypothesis clearly, test 5% significant level the hospital believes. So 5%, 20. So our H0 is going to be that P is 0.85, but they think it's less than that. So our alternative hypothesis is going to be P smaller than 0.85. Significant level 5% and N is 20. No, X is not 20, sorry. We have 30 patients and 20 recover. So N is 30 and the observed value is 20. This is going to be a binomial, 30 in this occasion, 0.85. Be careful because now we have 30 patients instead of 20. So we are going to check probability. I'm going to show you again both methods. Probability of X being smaller or equal than the observed value, and we are going to compare that with the significant level. Binomial, 30, 0.85, X 20, binomial CD in this occasion. This is 0.009657, so 97. This is smaller than the significant level. So if this is smaller, we have to reject H0. There is not enough evidence to support that. Accept H1. So there is enough evidence to support a hospital claim that the probability is smaller than that. Yeah, there is enough evidence to support hospital claim that the probability is smaller. P is smaller than 0.85. Yeah, every time we reject the first one, we accept the second one. This is alternative. This is called alternative because it's what we are going to accept if we reject the other one. Method 2 will be finding the critical region. It's up to you which method you use, unless they ask you specifically to find the critical region. So we are looking for an A such as the probability is smaller than the significant level. We have this binomial in... No, we don't have it. So we will need the calculator because the probability in the tables at the back of the formula booklet are up to 0.5. So you won't find this one. So you will have to find a value with the calculator. You use binomial CD. N is 30. And then you just have to check which one is the first, smaller than 0.05. So let me do just a second because I don't have the value. I have the first one smaller is going to be when A is 21. So my critical region is X smaller or equal than 21. If I get 21 or less patients recover, that means it's in the critical region and I have to reject. And that's what happens. So 20 patients is in the critical region because it's smaller than 21. Therefore, I have to reject H0, accept H1, which is alternative, and write the same sentence that I wrote before. Yeah, so the conclusion should be the same. Yeah, in either method, but there is enough evidence to support hospital's claim. Yeah, and that's all with this question.